Hi, Jessie here. So thrilled you found this video because that means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. Specifically, I'm going to teach you about Madagascar Vanilla. I'm going to share 10 practical, easy ways you can use this essential oil in your home. You're going to love it. So first of all, as indicated in its name, this essential oil, which actually this one is an absolute. So it's vanilla absolute and it's sourced from Madagascar. I love this about doTERRA. They go where the plant grows the best in the world, and that's where they choose to source their oils from. They work directly with the farmers on the ground in the country, create these amazing partnerships, remove the middleman to give fantastic opportunities to the people in the community wherever the plant and the essential oils are coming from. But then it gives us the best essential oils with the best therapeutic benefits. So it's a win-win for everybody. I like to think that you're helping people on both sides of the bottle. You're on one side of the bottle, helping yourself, and people that you share the oils with, the growers on the other side of the bottle, are being just taken care of so well. A win-win for everyone. It makes my heart so happy. So Madagascar Vanilla, first of all, if you were just to open this bottle, if you were to open this bottle of essential oil or of Absolute, it just smells amazing. It smells incredible. And you can just simply open the bottle and you're going to get emotional benefit. This is an uplifting oil. Some positive properties that you would experience when using this oil are joyful, optimistic, wonder, all really good things that we want to feel, right? So just open the bottle. You could simply put some in your hand. I've taught you on other videos how to do the ghetto diffuser. Put some drops in your hands, rub your hands together, take some deep breaths, and you are going to get benefit. Believe it or not, it's that simple. So my second tip for you is use it like you might have already thought about. Use it in the kitchen, in baking, put it in your beverages. I want to tell you though, it's not like vanilla extract. So if a recipe calls for a teaspoon of vanilla extract, don't use a teaspoon of this. You're going to use less. I'd start with a couple drops and you can always add more. Remember, these little bottles are super duper concentrated, so a little goes a long way. So test it out. Add some to your morning coffee, to your smoothie. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Tip 3, add it to your skin serum. So if you have a concoction that you really like making yourself, you can do something as simple as adding some more vanilla. Plus, it's going to smell so good, but it's great for your skin. Or if you have a lotion that you like, for example, doTERRA's hydrating cream is just awesome. Sometimes I'll use the hydrating cream and then I add a drop of whatever oil I'm feeling pulled to. And there's already essential oils in hydrating cream, but you can always just boost it and add a little bit more. So I'll do vanilla, or I might do blue tansy or yarrow palm, and just switch it up and have fun. See what your skin enjoys. Tip number 4, nerve issues. So such a sweet, amazing smelling oil can help with nerve issues in your body. So wherever you're feeling that nerve discomfort, put some of that vanilla in that location. I would dilute it with fractionated coconut oil or lotion and then massage it in. Number 5, in the bath. Oh, it's going to make the bathroom smell amazing, and it's going to be calming but also uplifting at the same time. So when you do a bath with Epsom salts, in case you need a reminder, take your Epsom salts, put them in your hands or in a cup or something, and then add your essential oil into the Epsom salts and just give it a little mix, then add it to the water. And that's going to help the essential oils and the Epsom salts all emulsify really well with the bath water. Number 6, use it as an aphrodisiac. I don't know if I need to go further with that, but play around with it, have fun. You could do something as simple though as getting the diffuser going in your room, add some vanilla, and then maybe another oil like passion, which is a blend by doTERRA, or geranium. And I'll just stop there. Number 7, staying in the bedroom just a little bit, but just think about using vanilla for sleep. So add it to your diffuser blend for sleep. You're gonna rest peacefully, calmly, and just if you're feeling more restless in general, you know those times you're just a little bit wonky, use your vanilla. You could put it on topically, open the bottle and ghetto diffuse through a diffuser, use it. The moral of the story is you got to use the oil if you want to get the benefits, okay? You can't just have the bottle sitting on your table and expect it to do anything for you. So there's my little reminder there. Number 8, use vanilla for stress. Throughout the day, if you're just feeling anxious and wound up really tight, this oil, Madagascar Vanilla, it's great for stress. So you could do it by itself, or you could combine it with one of your favorite other stress relieving oils, and it's just going to add a fun a fun aroma. Vanilla just makes everything better, I feel like. So add it in to help when you're feeling stressed. Number 9, you've probably been waiting for me to say this, but I'll say it right now. Perfume. Use it in your own perfume. I love DIYing perfumes. If you haven't yet, check out my perfume workshop that I did. Just go to my YouTube channel and you can find that link there. It's really fun making your own perfumes that are non-toxic, that aren't going to be harmful to your body. Your body will thank you. The people around you will thank you because you smell amazing and you don't give them headaches. But use vanilla in your perfume. I have a rollerball recipe that I want you to write down. This is a great roller perfume because sometimes we do perfumes, that we spray, but then sometimes we can do perfumes in a rollerball and they're going to be just great too for a perfume purpose. Got your pencil ready? Okay, here we go. So on a 10 milliliter roller, you're going to do 5 drops of guaiac wood, 5 drops of bergamot, 6 drops of Madagascar vanilla, and 6 drops of grapefruit. And then the rest of the way, you're going to fill it with fractionated coconut oil. Just mix it up gently and then put it on your pulse points. You're going to smell incredible. Reminder, though, this rollerball recipe I just shared with you does have citrus oils in it. So just be careful before you go out in the sun that you didn't put it somewhere where the sun's going to shine on it, because there's a chance your skin could be a little bit more sensitive for some time after you apply that. Enjoy the perfume roller recipe. It's a great one to give to people too. If you're just like, oh, I want to give my friend a little something, this rollerball is amazing. Last recommendation, and I've already mentioned it in some of the other tips, diffuse vanilla. It's so amazing diffused. A really yummy diffuser recipe that I love with vanilla. It's really simple. Are you ready? I bet you can remember it. You don't even need to write it down. It's vanilla and wintergreen. It smells a little bit like root beer to me. So I do equal parts vanilla and wintergreen, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna maybe want to go get a root beer float or something, but you're going to love it. It smells so good. So there are other ways you can use Madagascar vanilla for your health and well-being. Some of them, my hands are a little bit tied on what I can share in these YouTube videos. So if you want to learn more about Madagascar vanilla or any of our doTERRA essential oils and you aren't working with anyone yet, I would love to be your essential oil mentor. My contact info is in the show notes. So please check that out if you have questions, if you need help ordering. I'm here to help. I love educating people about essential oils. It's just one of my absolute greatest joys besides being a wife and a mom, loving Jesus. Essential oils are the next thing. So I hope that you learned some new ways to use Madagascar vanilla. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would just be forever grateful if you go do that. I hope you have a great day. Please excuse all the clothes, speaking of children, on my couch. I'm doing the shift of clothes and the transition, and it's there, and I'm like, I still need to do my video. So this is real life. You get Jessie as is, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.